Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Cortech Aero-Flo textile jacket. The Cortech Aero-Flo textile jacket retails for $129 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is part of that all-new summer 2020 coronavirus limited edition Cortech gear release. They came out with a lot of new products. They've really worked hard to update the line, and they've done a fantastic job. If you've seen a lot of the latest videos we've done, they've been on the Cortech gear, and I'm impressed. I like what I see. I love the price points, the value, and the quality with the gear. At $129, this is a solid summer riding jacket option, okay? It includes a removable, windproof, waterproof layer. The windproof, waterproof layer that comes with this jacket, it's not one of those real breathable ones, okay? This is, hang on. Yep, a little crinkly, right? Not as breathable. It'll get a little clammy. They put these in these jackets for a lot of reasons. One is to add a little value. Another is it just helps to reduce the tariffs that it's subject to when it comes into the country, because a standard jacket without that, actually, you have to pay more taxes on. It's crazy. That's just how it is. So for most people, right, when you get this jacket, pull that liner out. This is a hot weather riding jacket. This is meant for tremendous airflow and to serve as framework to hold armor in the coat. CE certified armor is in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder. It's got a foam back pad that comes in the jacket that is not CE certified but can be easily and affordably upgraded to a CE unit that you'll find in the Cortech armor section of our website if you are so inclined. Focusing now on the fit of the jacket. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds on the money with a 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a size large right now. I do have the inner layer underneath the coat as well. Give you an idea of the fit I have. Plenty of operating room. I would say this stuff kind of sizes to the roomier side. Okay, so use this information along with our size chart to help you choose the right size for yourself. Volume adjustment. I've already used the volume adjusters here at the waist to kind of bring in the waist of the coat a little bit. There's volume adjustment to be found here at the cuff, like so. Up here in the bicep area, spring-loaded snap. You got 2 layers to choose from. Storage. We've got hidden hand warmer style storage pockets on both sides of the coat. There is also some hidden storage up here on both sides in the chest area. Then internally in the coat, there are 2 large slip pockets with a Velcro closure at the top. They're stitched into the removable liner, and they're also stitched into the liner of the coat. So however you have it configured, you're still going to enjoy that same amount of storage. All this that you see here is high airflow mesh in the impact and abrasion zones. They're using a heavier denier fabric, right, to manage any crashes. Lots of reflectives, 360-degree reflectiveness with this coat. You can see some here on the arm, up here on the chest, and when I have the jacket off, we're giving the inside-out look, I can show you the stuff that's on the back of the coat. A lot of value, a great summer riding option for a rider who is looking to save some money and still get a great coat. If you want more details, stay tuned for the second part. We're going to take this thing off, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, here we go, the all-new Cortech Aero-Flo mesh jacket from the inside out. This jacket comes with a windproof, waterproof, not very breathable inner liner, okay? Let me tell you a little story about why a lot of these textile jackets come with these waterproof liners. It's going to be about tariffs, right? You know, you import products into the country and they fall in different categories. Waterproof jackets are subject to smaller tariffs than other jackets. So, with that said, okay, if you want true waterproof, windproof capability, but you need it to be breathable, I'm going to tell you to look at their Hyperflow jacket, right? You're going to spend $50 more, but you're going to get a higher quality inner liner. If all you're interested in is going to be this mesh jacket, you're going to ride in the summertime, you want tons of airflow, you're almost never going to use this because this thing's going to be clammy, right? When you get the jacket, you just take this bad boy out, you go, whoop, never going to use that. You put it to the side, and you rock this amazing mesh jacket that sells for a very affordable $129. Great price point. Again, armor that the coat comes with. This is a foam back insert that can easily and affordably be upgraded to a nice CE certified piece. You'll find that in the Cortech armor section of our website. Level 2 CE certified soft shell armor in the elbow form as well as the shoulder. This is some of that nice temperature sensitive stuff. You get it warmed up a little bit, it just becomes more moldable, flexible, and comfortable. Most importantly, the stuff is protective. Moving on to the coat itself, right? Hot weather riding, massive airflow is what this is all about, right? Large mesh panel here. Screen printed Cortech reflective logo there. Reflective across the shoulders. Reflective Cortech logo here. Look at that motion panel they got sewn here in the shoulders for enhanced mobility. Volume adjustment at the waist is with textile Velcro, little TPR Cortech logo there. Pretty cool, little D-ring. Get to the sleeve of the coat, reflective logo, reflective stripe. Little motion panel here in the elbow, some cool screen printing. Heavier denier fabric is going to be used in the impact and abrasion zone. Everywhere else, you're going to find these generous mesh panels for enhanced airflow. Entry and exit is done here with a locking zipper, comfort lined cuff. Volume adjuster here with Velcro. Volume adjustment for the bicep area. You have 2 levels of adjustment with a spring-loaded metal snap. Get to the front of the coat. Storage. Hidden, hand warmer style zippered storage pockets on both sides. Kind of a cool styling cue that those are hidden away. Little screen printing there. Reflective screen printing here, reflective piping across the shoulders. Check this out. Even more storage. Just got to find the zipper pull. There it is, top down, right? On both sides, right and left. So 4 pockets on the exterior of this coat up front. Throw it open, zip-to-pants attachment system, right? If you want to buy their textile pants, have a 2-piece riding outfit, that is where you would attach those. Comfort lined, rolled collar. Internal storage is going to be found here. Look at this large pocket on the left side, Velcro closure. I've got my whole hand in there. Other side, kind of like an expandable pocket right here. Velcro closure at the top. So anything you put in these pockets is going to be held nice and securely, right? Mesh liner inside the coat. Here's the pocket to upgrade that back protector if you choose to do so. All in all, what do I think? I think for $129, you're going to be hard-pressed to find yourself a better hot weather riding jacket. It's the all-new Cortech Aero-Tech jacket. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm here to help you choose your next jacket.